In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. We're going to walk through creating a simple, effective dashboard that pulls key metrics from your existing boards so you can see performance at a glance. Even if you're new to Monday.com, by the end of this video, you'll know how to set up the core widgets you need. First, start by creating a new dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Add icon, usually shown as a plus sign. Click that, and then choose New Dashboard. This creates a dedicated space where all your KPIs will live. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can easily recognize what it's for, like Sales KPIs or Project Health Overview. Next, you'll need to connect the boards that will feed data into this dashboard. You should see an option that says Select Boards. Click that, and then pick the boards that contain the information you want to track. These might be sales pipelines, project tracking boards, or task lists. Make sure the boards you select already have the numeric columns you care about, such as revenue, hours, or any metric you want to monitor. The quality of your dashboard depends on choosing the right sources here. Once your boards are connected, it's time to start adding widgets, which are the building blocks of your dashboard. Click Add Widget, and from the list, select Numbers. This widget is great for showing totals, averages, or other simple KPIs in a very clear way. After the Numbers widget appears on your dashboard, move your cursor to the top right corner of that widget. Click the three dots menu, then select Settings. This is where you tell the widget exactly what to display. Look for the option to choose your numbers column. Pick the specific column from your connected boards that holds the data you want, and decide whether you want to show a sum, an average, or another calculation, depending on what makes the most sense for that KPI. You can repeat this process to create a more visual experience. Again, click Add Widget, but this time choose a chart widget or a battery widget. The chart widget is perfect for trends over time or comparisons between groups, while the battery widget works well for progress toward a goal. For each one, open the settings via the three dots. Select the relevant boards and columns and configure them just like you did for the Numbers widget. Continue adding and adjusting these widgets until your dashboard clearly reflects the KPIs that matter most to you and your team.